Yung tipong gunting pa rin ang gamit mo pantanggal ng bigote? Nakakaubos na oras yan, parehoy. Since modern world na tayo at mahalaga kada minuto sa araw-araw nating gawain, etong ancient mini shaver ang bagay para sa iyo. Perfect gift choice ito that comes with a manual, free cleaning material, and the latest Type-C cable charger. Mini size lang din ito, smaller than a palm, kaya madaling dalhin anywhere, especially for travel. It also comes with a pop-up trimmer for your special needs. Very easy din to take off ang kanyang cutting mesh for cleaning. Di ba nga? So what do you ask for more? Ika nga nila, spend your time wisely. Buy things that you needed most. Gaya nitong Ancient mini shaver dahil parang brushing your teeth lang yan. Araw-araw mo ito gagamitin bago pumasok sa trabaho or kung saan pa man. Long-lasting din ang battery up to 2 months after fully charged. Marami nang gumagamit nito kaya grab one yours now.